Hi everyone! In this video, I'll be teaching you how to fix Upwork account that has been suspended. First things first, ensure that your mobile device or computer has the latest software updates. Also, restart your device before proceeding. Once done, open your browser and search for Pioneer Help. Here on the Pioneer Help page, just look for options to contact customer support, and this may include live chat, calling, or sending message. Then you want to click on the live chat option if available. Then just wait for a few seconds for the live chat to connect. Once you are connected, you can communicate with the Pioneer support team and then inform them about the account suspension issue and request assistance in resolving it. However, if the live chat is not available or you prefer other methods, just explore options such as calling the Pioneer team or sending messages through the provided channels. Be also prepared to provide necessary details such as your account information to help the support team assist you effectively. Lastly, pay attention to the guidance provided by the Pioneer support team, and they may give you the specific instructions or request additional information to address the suspension. After you contact the customer support, just allow some time for the Pioneer team to review and resolve the issue. Typically, issues are addressed within 24 hours. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make so we can help you.